जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 7th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, keep performing karma yogam. Karma yogam means nishkama karma. Nishkama karma means having a clear understanding that you are different from your body, and with that understanding, while you are performing all your duties, keep thinking that Paramatma is having you perform those duties, and all those works are Paramatma's works, and all the fruits related to those works also belongs to Paramatma. With all of this understanding, if you perform your duties, that is known as Nishkama karma. Arjuna, if you do this Nishkama karma, karma yogam, very soon your mind will become so pure. Once your mind becomes pure, it comes under your control. Once mind comes under your control, all the senses will listen to you. That means all the senses also will come under your control. Then you will slowly develop a clear vision that as and how you are there in your body, you will also able to see in every body there is Atma. And also you will have a clear understanding that all these souls are same. This kind of a clear vision, clear understanding, a clear realization when you attain, then all the duties that you are performing, all the activities that you are carrying out, none of those activities, none of those karmas would cause any kind of bondage to you. That is how you will be able to make sure no action of yours causing any bondage to you. This is how Sri Krishna Paramatma helping us understand how to perform our actions. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yoga yukto visuddhatma vijitatma jitendriyah sarvabhutatma bhutatma kurvannapi na lipyate. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging, and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings, Bhagavad Gita, every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my message, Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, You will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading your message, Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Suka Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sriman Narayan avatarams to Narada Maharshi. In that process, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Sri Krishna avataram, saying that, O Narada, when Paramatma came down as Krishna, in the very childhood of Sri Krishna Paramatma, his father Nanda, that Nanda was tied by Varunadeva. So Krishna, he himself, Nandancha mokshyati bhayat varunasya pasat. Krishna made sure his father Nanda relieved from the Varuna pasam, from the bondage caused by Varuna. Not only that, O Narada, one of those days, Hayasunundagudanavudu Nijamayan Goparajan, Maya's son, Vyomasura, one of the demons, he hid all the Gopalas. He abducted, he took all the Gopalas and hid all of them in a big den. Then Gopan Bileshu Pihitan Mayasu Nunacha. Paramatma in Krishnavataram, when he was a child, he released all those Gopalas from that den who were tied by Vyomasura. Not only that, O Narada, Gopalas, what did they do? They do not know any kind of spiritual practices. They do not know any kind of religious practices. All that they used to do is they just followed Krishna. Wherever Krishna goes, they followed him with all of their affection. What they used to do is they just used to carry out their day-to-day activities throughout the day, and in the night they just sleep. That is what is their lifestyle. Yet, for all of them, Krishna Paramatma conferred Lokam Vikuntham Upaneshyati Gokulam Sma. Krishna Paramatma gave all the Gopalas his divine abode Sri Vaikuntham, where unlimited happiness, eternal bliss is there. That abode is given to all the Gopalas by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Narada, Krishna Paramatma proved that to get him, to attain him, to attain moksham, not that yajna, dana, tapas are the means, but the important means is to follow Sri Krishna Paramatma with an enormous amount of love, devotion and affection. That is what is most important commodity to attain moksham. This is proved by Sri Krishna Paramatma. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma explaining Krishna Vaibhavam to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Shatruchedaikamantram. Sakala Mupanishadvakya Sampujya Mantram. Samsarottara Mantram. Samupachita Tamasangha Niryana Mantram. Sarva Aishwaryaika Mantram. Vyasana Bhujaga Sandashta Santrana Mantram. Jikhve Sri Krishna Mantram. Japa Japa Satatam Janma Safalya Mantram. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namara Shatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 7th sloka. Yoga Yukto Visuddhatma Vijitatma Jitendriyaha Sarvabhutatma Bhutatma Kurvannapi Nalipyate. Yoga Yukto Visuddhatma Vijitatma Jitendriyaha Sarvabhutatma Bhutatma Kurvannapi Nalipyate. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.